Hello guys, I made a mystery blind box so we could open it. Look, it is 150 pesos. Yes, I still added the price and this is the brand. Look. Let's open, but ASMR. ASMR. Let's open this. I can't open this using this camera. May I just do this to you guys? Wait. Okay guys, I am just gonna put the camera like this so you could still see, but I am struggling just holding this camera, okay? So please like and comment. This is the doll that I've been showing you, but this is the other accessories. Look, it's Hello Kitty and Korobi. Wait, where is it? Wait, this is the chair, one of the surprise, and you get 3 surprises in here. This is one surprise, and the other surprises are in this. Wait, it disconnected. Wait guys, I will just do this. There. Now let's dress up her again. Yep, I made more clothes. Don't ask why. Let's give her a dress. I'm struggling just because I'm holding a camera. Ah! Sigma. Don't ask why I am going to say Sigma in this video, because I am just the silly self. I am not silly. I am silly. Get it? Okay, I'm not. I'm just telling jokes. Until I'm done with this. Look, she has a bow in her hair. So let's give her a watermelon. Let's give her a watermelon. Okay. It doesn't look good, so does it look good or does it need crying face? It doesn't need crying face. I'm sorry, I didn't do the bad finger because I'm struggling. This is the other doll. Wait. Hello Kitty plus Konami is the feel. Is the feeling in this trend? So wait. We already got a bow and a clip on her, but let's change it. So bagong kape. And also earrings. Look, I even created a hand. Look. Johnny Baba. Isn't it funny? Johnny Baba. What kind of eyeshadow do you like? This black one looks great. It's not actually real, so what do you want? Since the body texture is kind of sauce. Anyway, so this is not heat by the way, because shit is so sus, okay? You know, girl. I said ears. She is apparently a cat. What kind of earrings? Diamond, pearls, or just hearts? I think you guys want pearls. There you go. Wait, I'm just gonna. What am I searching? And let's see what the surprises is. There is actually a hint. Get the hint? It is all food. Let's check what food it is. Wait!